Are your apps not working because of the Python37 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we dive into the Python 37 manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This DLL file is the core runtime library for Python 3.7. It provides the essential environment for executing Python code on Windows, commonly used by data science tools and automated scripts built on the 3.7 framework. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of Python interpreter to replace the Python 37. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Python 37. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of the Python 37 DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes the Python 37 references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the Python 37 error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.